What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing, bank fishing again. I do not have my kayak with me. I am in my car, so I'm going to be trying to catch some fish, be starting off with some top water, and then maybe switch to some other things. See if we can catch any, guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, this is the first spot that I'm going to be fishing today. We're trying out some top water here. Water is pretty calm, not too windy. Seems pretty promising. Water clarity seems pretty good. So let's see if I can catch any, guys. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. No! He came off. I've been fishing for like an hour. It wasn't huge, but oh my god. I have been struggling. Could have sworn I had a fish. Oh, did I have a fish? Maybe it was small and I didn't feel it. I don't know, guys. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. That's a decent one. That's a decent one. Not bad. Come on. Get in here, buddy. I think that's the fish I missed the first time. Get in here, buddy. Not a bad fish, guys. Right on top of the mouth. Please tell me I'm recording. Yes, I am. Not a giant, but I don't care. I'll take it, guys. First fish of the day. I thought I had felt him the first time, but I wasn't too sure. Go ahead and get a release on this little guy. Fought so hard. Oh my god, I've been fishing for like an hour. All right, here we go. There goes the little guy. Yes, it feels so good. See if we can catch one more, guys. I'm getting bit again, guys. Very, very like subtle. Oh my god. No. Just very subtle. Very, very light. Could have been a small fish or just something pecking at it. I really want to catch another one, guys. Really, really want to catch another one. That's a good sign, though. That's a good sign. Alright, guys. So basically how I'm working this bait is I'm using it as a Texas rig pegged Cinco, and I am letting it sink to the bottom and then twitching it up and down, pausing, and that seems to be working. I mean, I've gotten a few bites. Considering the spot is highly pressured, it's pretty good. Seems to be working out, getting a few bites. Hopefully we can land another one. I do have one more spot in mind that I'm going to try. Hopefully land one more. I mean, I don't care if it's small or big. We'll see, guys. Well, guys, apparently I had a fish on and I didn't know. I was texting someone and there goes my fish. Oh, guys, I have another fish on. There we go, guys. Second fish today. This feels like a decent one. Not bad. Oh my god. Get here, buddy. This thing is fighting so hard. Are you the dude that stole my Cinco? These fish are at the bottom, guys. I was like, I'm gonna let it sink. Sure enough. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Not a bad one. About the same size. He fought hard at first. I thought that was like at least 2 or 3 pounder. I'll go ahead and let him go on this side so I don't spook any other fish. Here you go, buddy. There goes the little guy. Back into the depths. Amazing, guys. I didn't think I was gonna catch 2 fish today. If we can land another one, that'd be a miracle. We'll keep fishing though. That last fish did feel like a 2-3 pounder for sure. I have no idea why. It felt so big. So I'll give it a shot, guys. Hopefully I can land another fish, but there's no promising that. All right, guys, so I probably already fished this area for about an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes. I have no idea. I think I pretty much caught as many fish as I possibly could out of this spot. I mean, this area is very highly pressured. It's just a lot of people fish here. I have one more spot in mind that I'm going to try and see if I can catch any more fish, guys. Hopefully I can. Time check is currently still 8:54 in the morning. So it's still morning. We still have a chance, but we'll see, guys. All right guys, so I've about made it to the final spot of the day. I'm gonna be fishing this area right here, fishing that edge, fishing right here, see if I can spot any fish. They're a little deep, so I don't think I'm gonna get any bites here in this area, but I'll go ahead and give it a shot either way, see if I can land one. Hopefully I can, guys. So far today has been pretty good, pretty successful. I've caught 2 fish, but I'll go ahead and give this spot a shot. Hopefully we can catch another one, guys. Guys, I have a fish on. I saw this fish right now. Oh my god, come on. Get in here, buddy. There we go, guys. 3rd fish of the day. There we go, guys. 3rd fish of the day. Smaller than the last ones. Still not a bad fish, guys. I am not complaining. Oh my gosh, 3rd fish of the day. It was worth getting up this morning. I wasn't gonna get up, but I said, I need to film a video. Made it happen, guys. Holy crap. I literally saw this fish eat it. It was the coolest thing ever. I was like twitching it behind him and he just turned around and just shot at it, guys. Not a bad fish at all. Go ahead and let this fish go, guys. There he goes. I don't think I'm gonna catch any more, guys. I honestly don't think I'm gonna be able to land one more, but I'll try. But I don't think it's gonna happen, guys. Not a bad fish though. All right, everybody, that is going to complete today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 3 fish in total. Surprisingly, I have no idea how I caught these fish in a very highly pressured area. I managed to do it last time and today, which is crazy, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be coming back to this spot. I mean, I did catch fish, but it was very hard to catch those fish. It took some time to figure it out, guys. But if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.